In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record vendor credits in QuickBooks Online. Handling vendor credits accurately is crucial for maintaining the precision of your financial records. Whether you're adjusting for returns, discounts, or credit memos, knowing how to input these credits ensures your accounts are both current and correct. To start, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, your first action is to click on the New button. You'll find this located at the top left corner of your screen. This button is your gateway to a range of options that let you manage transactions within your QuickBooks account. Once you've clicked New, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying several transaction types. Scan through this list and select Vendor Credit. This selection is essential for recording any credit you have with a vendor, which can balance out accounts payable or provide necessary adjustments to previous transactions with that vendor. Next, you'll be prompted to enter all the necessary details of the vendor credit. This information typically includes the vendor's name, the date of the credit, and the credit amount. Be thorough in filling out these fields to ensure all necessary information is accounted for. Additionally, you may need to enter details about the items or expenses the credit applies to. This can include the category or account impacted by the credit, such as office supplies or inventory. It's vital to double-check the accuracy of this information before moving on. Correctly inputting these details allows you to maintain an up-to-date reflection of your vendor interactions and financial obligations in QuickBooks. After you've verified that all the necessary information has been entered correctly, you'll want to save this entry. To do this, click on the Save and Close button. By doing so, you'll ensure the information is securely recorded in your QuickBooks account. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. By following these simple but crucial steps, you ensure your accounting records reflect real-time accuracy and reliability. This process might be brief, but the ramifications are significant for keeping your books balanced and your financial data precise. This step-by-step method can become a seamless part of your regular accounting practices, enriching your understanding of QuickBooks and enhancing the efficiency of your bookkeeping tasks. Thanks for watching, and remember to check back for more tips and tutorials to make the most of your QuickBooks Online experience.